Founded in the 1830s. The first landlord that settled here in Dunlewy, his name was Tom Bryn. He was the Inspector General of the company. He evicted 3 families, the Sweeneys, of the land. And the last old lady, before leaving her home, a fine climb. It takes about an hour to an hour and a half to climb Errigal. There's a great view from the top. There's a pathway in the back, and that is the safest way to go if you ever feel like climbing Errigal. Follow the path and you won't go astray. When you find that path on the road to Kenny, there's a car park on the left hand side on your way. Very popular looking place on that. The wide open space here. But the circle behind that is the Davy Post over there. That's where your blitz is, the one that's along the money. So until I'm down at the corner, I'll give you a ring. But I mean, if I could get it. This is where your island is, your island, where you're right now, so it's out here to that side. The people that live that, you know, the first language is not here in South Bay. The little housing is made of young trees. And the reason they built it was to protect themselves from their enemies. And at that time, they made it on the inside of wine and they kept open. And when the basically come out and see the island all the time now, because of the town, from this down the inside of the sea. Make their way up, and the door is opened into where the geese are. Where the geese are